Hi everybody, I'm Melody and I just want to introduce myself and my channel and give you a little bit of a background. So I am a mother of two. I have a 7-month-old and a 2-year-old and trying to balance a full-time job and 2 kids and the household. Any of you that have done that know how stressful it can be. So I'm going to try to do some DIY things and arts and craftsy things and kid things and different things to see if we can't help make being self-sufficient and productive a little bit easier for anyone. And I would love to have your feedback. Any tips, tricks that you might know that you wouldn't mind sharing, that would be great too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it and find videos helpful and informative. Thanks.